Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a quick Monica Vinader jewellery unboxing. I am such a fan of Monica Vinader jewellery. I have been buying it for like 10, maybe 12 years now. Definitely since I lived in London. I used to go to their shop on South Molton Street. Love it there, they're so friendly. And yeah, I just love their jewellery. It's beautiful, it's timeless, it's classic. It's really well made. It is like, does not tarnish, it's just gorgeous. I love it, it's so good, and I love like stacking pieces up and wearing it like, I don't know, as a bit of a collection, but it's also gorgeous worn just by itself. It's just a beautiful brand and I love it. In fact, I love it so much that they've given me a 20% discount code, so if you want to buy anything, feel free to use my discount code. The link and the code are below, and you can keep coming back to this video and using it like whenever you want. So if you're going to a wedding, you want to buy a wedding gift, use my code. If you're buying a Christmas gift, come back, use my code. It's always there, it's always available, and you're always welcome to use it. Anyway, today let's do an unboxing. I'm so excited. Oh, and actually, before I get started, there is a sale on at the moment, so if you want anything, like, it's really good. There's up to 60% off, and there's like flash sales on, so every day there's like new and different items which are a little bit more reduced. My favorite ever necklace, which I'm wearing here, this top necklace, this is currently on sale, which is the first time I've ever seen it on sale, and it's got quite a good reduction on it. It's about £100 off. So I would highly recommend. This is my favourite necklace I've ever had from them. And then underneath I have the miniature version, and I love wearing them together. Anyway, let's unbox my new piece and see if I love that as much as I love these pieces. I'm sure I will. Spoiler alert, I probably will. Okay, let's unbox. So I've just got my box here. I have possibly already opened it just because I couldn't wait, but yeah, I didn't really look at it for too long, so don't worry, it's still a surprise. So here it is. This is how it comes boxed up. It obviously comes with a sticker over the top, and also on the inside of the box is some really lovely information about their sustainability. I'm just going to run through it quickly because I do think it's really important. So all their jewellery is made from 100% recycled gold and silver. It's conflict-free diamonds, which is really important. There's a 5-year warranty and lifetime repairs on all their jewellery, which I think is incredible. They are a carbon neutral brand, and all their packaging is recyclable too, which again, very important. And also I do want to highlight the fact that there is a 5-year warranty and lifetime repairs on their jewellery, because that's really good, because their jewellery is designed to be worn every single day, and if anything goes wrong, just take it back, they'll sort it out. It's really good. Anyway, let's unbox the jewellery. So just so you know, when you shop online, it still comes in a little bag, so if you're giving it as a gift, it's really lovely that you can present the jewellery in the bag, and also of course it comes in a box as well. This is what the boxes look like. If you're buying a smaller product, it will come in a slightly smaller box, but the larger items come in this larger style box. And then on the back, it's got information about the recyclability, and it's a little drawer which you just slip open, and inside there's a little pouch. This pouch is really good because it just means that like the jewellery won't get scratched, and also when you travel, it's a really good way to keep your jewellery safe in your suitcase. Anyway, I'm just going to open it up and show you my new piece of jewellery. I have been looking at this necklace for so long, and I absolutely love it. It is so good. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Oh, yes. Oh God, I am so excited. So before I put this necklace on, I just want to draw attention to a little bit of a sore subject in my life. I have a fairly wide neck. Yeah, I'm just not a slimmed neck woman, and I have a fairly wide neck, and I have to say some jewellery brands do not accommodate my neck width. It's fine, we can get over it, but the nice thing about Monica Vinader is the fact that their chains are generally a little bit more generous. If you are slimmer than me, they can be worn shorter, but if you're my size, they are actually a really nice length. So it's really nice to kind of know that, because there's nothing more embarrassing than returning a necklace because it is too short for your chunky neck. So I always get a little pang of like, oh my God, will this fit? But I just want to draw attention to the fact that Monica Vinader are pretty generous when it comes to their chain lengths. Like for this, for instance, I think this is a gorgeous length. It is exactly the length I want. But yeah, in some shops this would be this would be choking me. Like, I cannot buy certain necklaces from Vivienne Westwood anymore, for instance, because I literally cannot do them up. Yeah, that's in another video if you want to have a look. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out. I am a larger lady with a large neck, and yeah, some brands don't accommodate me. Anyway, let's put this chain on and see how it sits. But first of all, I just thought I'd show you quickly. So at this end of the necklace, we have the clasp, but at the other end of the necklace, there is a bit of a chain leader, which means that I will probably be wearing it on the largest setting, but if you are smaller than me, you can wear it at a shorter length by just attaching the clasp to a different part of the chain, just so you know. Anyway, let's put the chain on and see how it looks. Okay, it is on. I actually took off the other necklace because it was at a very similar length and I just felt like it looked too cluttered, but I kept on the longer length chain so that you can see that you can stack it up and it just is like really nice. It is absolutely stunning. I am so thrilled with it. I don't want to be like toot my own horn and be like, look how lovely my necklace is. But seriously, it's beautiful. I don't know if you can see, but it's really reflecting the light beautifully. It sits really well on the skin. There's no flippage. It just is like really lovely, really luxe, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, it's just so pretty. It's perfect. I love the gold tone of it. It's like the perfect tone of gold. Yeah, it sits really beautifully. It bends really nicely. It's just really lovely, and it really, I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but it's really reflecting the light incredibly beautifully. I absolutely love it. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, like, it's so impossible to know how things are picking up on camera, but it's joyful. I love it. It's so pretty and it's so luxy as well. Yeah, I absolutely love it. So this is obviously on the longest chain setting, and to be honest, I could even probably wear it a little bit higher, but I love it where it is. I love it layered up as well with another necklace. It's just really pretty, really luxy, really gorgeous. It's got such a beautiful shine to it. I really hope it's picking up on camera how incredibly shiny and beautiful it is, because it really is like stunning, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous shade of gold. Yeah, I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at me. I feel so fancy. I feel so special. Yeah, I love it. Anyway, I love Monica Vinader. Like, total winner. I'm so thrilled. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, I'm like so happy. Look at my big goofy smile. I'm like, ah, so good. Anyway, that is my necklace. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend. I recommend all Monica Vinader jewellery. I am such a fan. It is beautiful quality, so well made, incredible sustainability. It lasts really well. It's pretty good with not tarnishing. The only thing I would say is don't spray perfume directly on it, but that is a general rule for all jewellery. And yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous. But if you want to buy anything, there is a sale on right now, so do check the sale out. And also always, always, always check back this video or my blog post or whatever and use my code, because it will give you 20% off absolutely everything on site, which I think is incredible. Anyway, I'm gonna go take my necklace and my goofy smile and yeah, go do some gardening. Anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.